there's only one family that can bring us the most fantastic moments here at QVC. I'm talking about Campanelli, and this is the Microfiber and Diamondfiber Washable 6-piece sponge set. This is wild for $19.98 or 3 easy payments of $6.66. You're getting 6 sponges. Each of these end up costing you $3 and change. Just for the heck of it, I Googled last night a pack of 3 sponges.
How much?
It was $4.50.
And they want you to replace it once a week.
Yes.
That's what they expect.
Yes.
Yeah, once per week.
So when you think about Campanelli, there's a sustainability story here because you get to wash these.
Yes.
You can put them in the dishwasher on the top rack, let them air dry. I mean, this is just an absolutely fantastic moment, and Chris Campanelli is joining us.
Hi, everybody.
Here for this special presentation.
Great
Good
to be here,
morning.
my friend.
Well, let's talk about the colors because what you're seeing right here are the 3 that we have available right now. So this beautiful green you're seeing is the sage. We also have this available in the taupe, and then we have the aqua. 4 different rectangles, 2 of them a little smaller, and 2 rounds.
2 rounds.
So perfect moment for you to go ahead and divide these all around the house and have their own little special spots because this is full home cleaning.
Full home cleaning from top to bottom. And what I love about the color story is, let's say you want to use the aqua in the kitchen and the taupe in the bathroom. That way you know you're not using your bathroom sponge in the kitchen, even after you wash them, because these are machine wash and tumble dry.
Yes.
But the whole idea is that we give you a 2-sided sponge made with microfiber on one side and then Diamondfiber on the other side, so you're going to clean and you're going to scrub without scratching. But rather than using something like this, that to your point is disposable, you throw it in the garbage, you're going to wash these and use them for years and years. So let's show you how they work. So using a little bit of water here on the sponge, we're going to use the Diamondfiber side. This is egg yolk, gravy browning, and tomato sauce. We burn it on with a blowtorch just so it's a little bit more difficult. But you can see with a little bit of water and elbow grease, I'm able to scrub right through that using the Diamondfiber side. Now, if this gets dirty, I don't have to go get like a special towel or a rag or anything like that. Everything gets trapped in here. Then I flip it over and use the microfiber side from like our famous microfiber towels. Here's the greatest thing though, that when this gets dirty, I get to put it in the washing machine and the dryer. I come out with a nice, fresh, clean, sanitized sponge that I get to use over and over and over again instead of going to the store to buy more disposable products. Listen. You have a choice. You can continue going to the store to spend $4 and change on a set of 3 sponges, or you can buy 1 set of sponges that will last for years and years. As a matter of fact, this guy right here, this is Nancy Hornback's sponge. 10 years she used it. She tackled me in the studio and said, I have to show you this. I've been using this for 10 years, and I've washed it over and over and over again. She did not only use it for a week, 10 years on 1 sponge.
That is wild because as we saw on this one, like a lot of us get this sponge on this sponge and then we rinse it underneath the sink and like it never quite looks the same way again. That's because it's not getting clean.
It's not. And you know how they stink after a while?
The worst smell ever.
That's bacteria. So when you think you're cleaning, you're actually spreading more germs. That's what this guy does, right?
Definitely.
All right, so let's show you, that's the Diamondfiber side. Let's show you the microfiber side. This is a traditional cellulose sponge. Axle grease on the window here. It could be cooking grease or soap scum, but the whole idea is that this is not really doing anything. It's kind of, this is going to end up in the garbage can, so we're going to get rid of that. Our sponge, Diamondfiber on one side, microfiber on the other. Now, microfiber is like millions of little fingers that are going to lift, trap, and remove the mess. 1, 2, 3. But again, the best part about this is when this gets dirty, I put it in the washing machine and the dryer or the top rack of the dishwasher and use it over and over and over again. If you do put it in the top rack of the dish, just make sure you squeeze it out.
Because it's absorbent.
Because it's absorbing all the water. Yeah, that's
so good. So fantastic. 3 color choices for you to choose from. The aqua, the taupe, or the sage, all 6 pieces, $19.98, 3 easy payments of $6.66. I mean, yes, sustainability, yes, we get to rewash these, but with the help of just a little water and not a bunch of harsh chemicals.
No chemicals if you want to.
There you have it.
But if you wanted to use like GP66, your favorite cleaner, you can absolutely do that, but not just for, you know, cleaning and washing dishes. How about food prep, right? Because potatoes and stuff like that, they're grown in the dirt, but all of that dirt gets kind of taken up by the Diamondfiber. But this is washable. Now I get to eat the potato and all the nutrients are in the skin, get all the dirt off. Now I can cook those and move on, right?
Oh, definitely.
Okay, so some sponges are designed just to scrub. And you know what? they do a pretty good job at just scrubbing, but it's also making a much bigger mess because the whole idea here is that I'm supposed to scrub and then maybe use like a paper towel or something like that to come back and absorb that. Ours is so different. Here, Steve, can I have that water bottle right there? Thank you.
Just water.
Just water, H2O. Spray a little bit of water in here, and then using the Diamondfiber side to scrub, you can see it does a much better job at scrubbing. But then when I want to, I flip over the microfiber side and clean up after myself. But again, the best part about this sponge is that once it's dirty, I get to put it in the washing machine, put it in the dryer, and use it over and over and over again. Instead of going to the store to buy more disposable products, right? That's the choice. Buy the disposable guys and keep spending money, or buy this and use it for, like our friend Nancy, for 10 years.
I love that. And if you don't have a sponge in your bathroom dedicated to your bathroom, you're making your life a lot harder.
Yes.
Because it's really quick to do the quick little clean here.
That's the whole idea, right? This looks like my teenager's sink right now with the toothpaste and all that stuff. But if I wanted to, I can get the fixtures without having to worry about doing anything like that. Use the microfiber side to clean up after myself. And if we have time, how about the soap scum? Right? Soap scum is perfect for that. Diamondfiber and a little bit of water, cutting right through that, right? Flip it over, use the microfiber side, and clean up after myself. And it is washable, not disposable.
And won't scratch.
Yes!
Which
won't
is
scratch
the glass. I can tell you right now, taupe was the most popular in our show. Now is your time to pick up your set. Lots of us picking up more than one set. Sage, taupe, and that wonderful aqua. $19.98, 3 easy payments of $6.66. Good to see you, buddy.
See you, bud.
I'll see you soon.
Yes, you will.
Yes, you will.
Take care, Steve.
All right, we'll see you soon. Let's head right on over here to the kitchen, because now that we've got the kitchen clean, well, now we got to make things just a little bit easier. Getting a little sneak peek of Mrs. Printables coming up here in just a little bit, and Mark Gill in the house.